Hello and welcome back, ladies and gents. I've just arrived in the post these. It cost me about a tenner. I thought I'd try them out. And what's been advertised as root trainers. All I have to do to put them together is like so. Bend them like that and then just clip them together. I've measured them, and to be quite honest, there's not really much difference, is there, between the toilet rolls I normally use and these things. So to be quite honest, I think I'll probably stick to the toilet rolls. I'll be using these because I've got them already, so I don't think I'll be buying any more. But we'll see. If they turn out to be super duper my plants, I might change, but I doubt it. Not when it's £10 a tray. So nearly together. One more lot. Here we go. I'm using these to start some sweet peas off in. So I'll give them a try. See if they fit in. Stay. Right, once they're together, simply fill with compost, like so. Anyway, I've got a good hoover in it for cleaning up. A bit more. Once they fill like that, give them a good tap down. Top up any that need topping up. Yeah, there. Like I said, I'll give these a go for some sweet peas, and I'll also sort some sweet peas in some toilet rolls and see which ones come out best. Right. The ones I'm sowing are called sweet pea oil mixed. So let's have a look at these, shall we? Here we go. You can see them all right. Focus. All you do is put 2 holes in each one, like so. Seeds in, cover up, and that's it. Some people soak them for 24 hours beforehand, but I don't see the point. I always have done it like this and they always turn out fine. Wow. Right, so once they're put in, cover in a bit of compost, give them a good water, and stick them on your windowsill to germinate. Usually take probably 7 to 21 days, 18 to 21 Fahrenheit. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.